Welcome to Revenue's presentation on the Form 11. In this video, we will show you how to complete the rental income panel in the Form 11. To open the rental income panel, click on the Irish Rental Income tab in the menu on the left side of the screen. Only rental income on Irish properties should be entered in this panel. If you have rental income from property held abroad, you enter that income in the Foreign Income panel. The rental income panel is divided into two sections: residential property and commercial property, land and all other sources of Irish rental income. When you open this panel, it may be pre-populated with information indicating that you are registered with the Residential Tenancies Board and also with payments received under the Housing Assistance Programme, also known as HAP. If we receive information that you are registered with the Residential Tenancies Board, this will be shown on the form as indicated on screen. If we receive information that you are in receipt of payments from the Housing Assistance Programme, these payments will appear in a table as indicated on screen. You should note that the details of payments included in the table do not form part of your return. The payments information must be input in the gross rents receivable field in the return, along with any other rents received on the letting of residential property. Note that it was not possible to pre-populate scheme payments for all relevant customers. If you are in receipt of housing assistance payments, which are not shown in the summary table, that income must still be returned in the gross rents receivable field in this panel. To complete the residential property section, enter the number of properties let. If you have more than one residential property let, add all rents received and enter the gross rents received where requested. Expenses should also be added together in a similar manner, but keep the different types of expenses separate. That is, a separate amount for repairs, allowable interest, and so forth. When you have income and expenses entered, click on the Calculate button. This will calculate the net rents and enter that figure in the Amount of Chargeable Income After Expenses box. In the example on screen, the gross rents of €31,000 less all expenses gives a net rental income of €25,250. Note that you cannot edit this figure directly. The only way to change this figure is to change either the gross rents received or the expenses claimed. The net rental income will also populate the Amount of Chargeable Income from All Sources Net of Expenses box. Where there is income from both residential and commercial properties, the two subtotal amounts will be added together. In the example on screen, as there is no income from commercial property, the two amounts highlighted are the same. In this example, we add commercial property, showing net rents of €10,000. When you hit Calculate, the two net rental income figures, €26,250 and €10,000, will be added. And the sum of these two amounts, which is €32,250, will appear in the Income from All Sources field as highlighted on the screen. To claim capital allowances on fixtures and fittings, enter the amount of the capital allowances where indicated on screen under Capital Allowances for the year 2018 in the Non-Specified Relief Capital Allowances box. The amount you enter in this box is the capital allowances due for 2018. You must also enter the amount of capital allowances used against rental income in the year 2018. The amount here cannot be less than the total amount of capital allowances. both for the year and carried forward, unless the amount of rental income is less than the capital allowances. In this example, there are capital allowances forward of €200 and capital allowances for 2018 of €650. The capital allowances in this case must equal €850. If you enter a different amount, you will get an error message as shown. However, capital allowances claimed cannot exceed the amount of rental income. If the total of capital allowances forward and capital allowances for the year exceed the net rental income, the capital allowances used figure should be reduced to the amount of the income. In this example, the net rental income, highlighted in the red box, is €450. This is less than the total amount of capital allowances, highlighted in the blue boxes, which is €850. If you try to leave this screen with the capital allowances claimed amount greater than the net rental income, you will get a warning message as shown. When you amend the capital allowances used against rental income in the year to €450, you can proceed. The unused amount of capital allowances can be carried forward and claimed in the year 2019. Specified relief capital allowances are not covered in this video.